Hello my dear friends, welcome to my video. Definitely you need a lift for your house. That's why you have come to that video by searching on internet. So this is a very basic hydraulic lift. So let me tell you some of the important points about that lift. So as I have already told you, it's a very basic lift, hydraulic lift, but it is quite safe and secure. And we use 2 HP motor for that lift. And we always have a kind of backup with this lift in case of power failure or power cut. There is an option for you to come down, and we don't need to dig any ditch for that lift as we do in conventional lift, and we don't have to make any kind of machine room for that lift. And the mechanism of hydraulic lift is very simple and very safe and very economical. You may come to know about hydraulic lift by searching on internet. And it is a maintenance free lift. There is no need to have any kind of maintenance at regular interval or period. And it is quite cheaper than conventional lift. And the consumption of electricity is quite less. And we are in North India, means we have our manufacturing unit in North India. So there is a point for those who live in South India. Please don't contact us for installation in South India because we are not working for South India right now. So thanks for watching that video. Thank you.